Hi guys, we're in the Philippines and we're in Moalboal. We're about to go snorkeling. We've just bought some snorkels and the mission for this trip is to see lots of turtles. We've just got a moped and we're going to head out to White Beach. We're at the beach. We're just getting everything ready and then we'll go and try and find some turtles. It's a really nice beach here. You did have to pay 10,000, no not 10,000, 10 pesos each, so that's not a lot, it's 14p. So yeah, very good. So turtles are really common here and we haven't really swam with one properly, so we're really hoping we can see one. Okay, so we weren't that successful on our first attempt, but we're going to carry on and hopefully see a turtle in the next few days. Apparently the beach near where we're staying, well, it's not really a beach, but the sea where we're staying is really good for turtles. So we'll see from there. So I've just been for another about half an hour, 40-minute swim and we didn't see any turtles, so we're a bit discouraged, but we're not going to stop trying. We haven't tried the best yet. I'm just falling over. So we'll try again later. Okay, so we're at our second spot to try and find some turtles. This is apparently the best spot in Moalboal, so I'll show you. You can see there's quite a lot of people snorkeling already, so that's a good sign, hopefully. And then we're just going to get ready and then we'll go in.
We had been snorkelling for over an hour without any sign of turtles. However, we did see the sardine wall, which was amazing. We were starting to get disheartened, but weren't ready to give up just yet.
Okay, so it's our third day of turtle spotting. We've googled it and it says it's hard not to find turtles here, but I think we've been looking in slightly the wrong place. So watched a YouTube video and we think we know where we're going to go. Apparently they're near the seagrass, like at the front, just near the drop-off.
So we're going to go more this way and just swim until we find them.
And I've got a life jacket on this time, which I feel loads better about.
Yeah, Em's not the most confident swimmer, so. Okay, let's go.
After swimming for another hour, we were about to give up, but then in the distance we saw a turtle. The following footage shows you one of our best moments yet.
Yeah. Good morning everyone. So today we've decided to come to a waterfall. We've just arrived. It was about a 40-minute, well probably 50-minute bike ride, 20 minutes through the mountains, and now we're just walking up the side of the cliff to get there. There's some construction work going on, so look how nice the water looks. We're not even there yet. Oh, we're just trying to work out the best way to get there because there's not really a path, so we've come this way, but we'd have to jump across this gap. So we're thinking we're gonna go down here and up this way. Yeah, we've made it. Oh, looks nice. I've fallen in twice. You can see I'm a bit wet.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
But I think we're gonna get into our swimming costumes and go for a swim now.
Can't believe no one's here.
Yeah, no one's here. It is a bit of a trek in all fairness. Okay, cool. That's it.